Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chlorine solution from bleaching powder. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Ensure you are in a well-ventilated space to prevent inhaling any strong fumes. Always use clean, non-metallic containers for mixing to avoid unwanted reactions. This ensures a safe and effective preparation process for your chlorine solution. To begin, gather your essential ingredients, bleaching powder and clean, potable water. For a 1% chlorine solution, combine 100 grams of bleaching powder with 10 liters of water. If you need a weaker, 0.5% solution, use 50 grams of bleaching powder for the same 10 liters of water. Accurate measurements are key for effective disinfection. Start by adding a small amount of water to your bleaching powder to create a smooth paste. Then, slowly pour in the rest of the water, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Continue stirring for several minutes until the powder is mostly dissolved. Finally, allow the mixture to settle for at least 30 minutes. This helps any undissolved particles sink to the bottom. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the solution's potency. Store your freshly prepared chlorine solution in a dark, airtight, non-metallic container, and always label it clearly with the contents and preparation date. For optimal effectiveness, aim to use the solution within 24 hours. When finished, responsibly dispose of any remaining solution by diluting it significantly before pouring it away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.